Hello from Kelly Hicks Construction today, where we're filming park model trailers. This is one of my favorite trailers. I've got 3 of them. It's a Summit 355FL. A Summit 355FL. This is unit number 5692. It's gray with white trim and white lineals. Since it's raining, I'm not going to look at the outside too much. I'm just going to head right on in. This is a park model certified by the RV Industry Association. That's why I always call them tiny house on steroids, because they have so much more going on than a tiny house. There's the fireplace, place for the entertainment center. You can mount your TV there. Got some LED lights up front. End table and the lamp. Rocker recliner. Sleeper sofa. Table and 4 chairs. And you definitely have storage underneath your chairs. Great big kitchen. There's also storage under the steps. Right there is storage. Full extension ball bearing drawer guides on all the drawers. That means you have access to the entire drawer. You've got some overhead cabinets. You've got a hall pantry. More overhead. Lowers. A lot of drawers there. You got 6 drawers. If you can't fit your silverware in 6 drawers, I don't know. Anyhow, there's a stainless steel sink, 2 basins with a single lever faucet. Over here you've got a 30-inch 5-burner range, 30-inch microwave, 18.5 cubic foot fridge, master bedroom in the back. It's a walk-around queen. There is no carpeting except in the stairs and the loft. As you can see, it's got square PVC flooring in here. Looks like ceramic tile. There's lights in the closets. Closet rods. Drawers. You've got 8 drawers in here. And again, load them up. They're all full extension ball bearing drawer guides. Got a slider door. This walk around queen could easily be replaced with the king. The bed will fit either way, although this way it faces the wardrobe. His and hers, or as I like to refer to them, hers and hers. His on the left, hers on the right, or hers on both. Okay, here's that pantry in the hallway I was telling you about. Let's get that on the way back through. See all the shelving in it. Got the pantry. Floor to ceiling pantry. That's it, in addition to the rest of the overhead cabinets. So let's check out the bathroom. It's a nice bathroom. It's got a window, 1-piece fiberglass tub surround, so you can take a shower or you can take a bath. Here's the medicine cabinet. Got shelves in there. Nice medicine cabinet. Vanity. Got some storage under it. So heading back out, that's our down and dirty quick little tour of the Summit 355FL. Why do I like this trailer so much? I got 3 of them because they retail for $49.9. That's all I have to get for them. $49.9 and everybody's happy. So this is the Summit 355FL with the loft. And we best go look at the loft or this video wouldn't be complete. So the loft takes up half the trailer. It's just a basic loft. Carpeting. You've got an auxiliary air conditioner. You've got a TV jack right over there. Nice big loft. Just about half the trailer. So anyhow, if you're looking for an inexpensive loft that sleeps a lot of people, has a place for kids to play, this is it. $49.9 and you're all set. 30-inch range, 30-inch microwave, stainless steel dual basin sink, table and 4 chairs. Everything in it stays in it. Nightstand and lamp, end table and lamp, fireplace, ceiling fan. There's the view of the trailer. Up, down, all around. Raise you up so you can see the loft. I can't see, but that looks like it. Anyhow, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed my video. There's lots more where that came from. Have a great day. Welcome to Kelly Hicks Construction today, where we're filming inventory. We're filming all my Quail Ridge Summit and Log Cabin Park models. This is a Summit 355FL with the loft. We currently have 3 of them here. This is unit number 5691. It's gray with white trim, and it's a pretty sharp looking trailer. We'll take a little walk around it right quick so you can see what she looks like. Got an auxiliary air, outside water spigot, gray and white, triple axle. Heading on in, I'll show you some of the features that are common to most of these trailers. Got all thermopane windows and doors. This one actually has a built-in fireplace. We'll get on in here. Dinette with 4 chairs. Storage under the seat. You've got sleeper sofa. Rocker recliner, fireplace, entertainment center, LED lights, nice view out the front and the side. We got another trailer over there, but it is a nice view. Everything in these goes with them. All the furnishings, draperies, appliances are included. Has a 5-burner 30-inch range, 30-inch microwave, 18.5 cubic foot fridge, pantry. You got steps leading up to the loft. The loft is about a half of the trailer, so I've just called them a half loft. You could maybe call it a 2/3 loft, I don't know. There's an auxiliary air conditioner back in the corner. That'll keep your kids, grandkids, or adult guests from sweating to death when they're camped out in your loft. We'll head back down the steps here. Kitchen is lovely. Nice open kitchen. Plenty of counter space. Plenty of cabinetry. Got shelving in your cabinets. The drawer guides are full extension ball bearing drawer guides. 18.5 cubic foot fridge, hall pantry. Got a lot of shelving in the pantry. I don't know, I guess you can see in there. We'll head on into the bathroom here. Nice big bathroom. It's got 7-foot ceilings because there's a loft overhead. You got a vanity. You got a medicine cabinet. You got a commode. You got a shower and a tub. Good family trailer. Got your tub. Got your window. What more could you ask for? In here, you've got your upgraded master suite. Has a queen bed and bedspread, nightstand and small lamp. You've got 8 drawers and 4 doors, lit closets. A lot of value here. A lot of value here. You got the full extension ball bearing drawer guides. Load them babies up. You will not break them. Okay. So it's got plank flooring throughout the entire trailer. The only place that has carpeting is the loft. How's that? That's because we order them that way. Pretty cool trailer, huh? We're planning on selling 10 or 12 of these this year. We got 3 in stock. So come on down and get you one. This is definitely our price leader. A lot of value. If you got any questions, call Kelly. You can find us on Facebook and Twitter and YouTube. Have a great day. And thanks for watching my video. I welcome all comments, good, bad, and ugly. Go ahead and leave me some. Have a great day.
Find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come 1 in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be yours. One day I'll be yours. I'll be yours. Life lessons come 1 in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come 1 in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come 1 in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life changes just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours.